Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to integrate Wix with Google Tag Manager. So first up, you need to open Google Tag Manager. Just search for it in Google and then you'll be redirected here. And first, you will be creating an account. So let's just go back to the home page, and then once you're here, create an account and then just set up some details right here. For example, like that, and then just click on web. So because we'll be using this in our Wix website, we'll just click create and then just accept and click yes. So we'll just wait for this to load. So after it is finished, you will be redirected here. So you don't really need this code right here, so you can just close it. But what you will need is this Google Tag Manager unique identification number. So once you have this, go back to your Wix website, scroll down to settings, find marketing integrations right here at the very bottom, click on it, and then connect Google Tag Manager. Take in mind that you need to have a premium plan when you're using Google Tag Manager. But since I am using a free plan, I can't be able to show you this, but what will happen is that, for example, you click on upgrade and then choose a plan that is within your preference. So after that, you will go back here to settings into marketing integrations with Google Tag Manager, and you will just click add Google Tag Manager, and then you will need to enter this unique identification number right here. And then after that is done, you're already integrated your website with Google Tag Manager. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.